So we've got a flat roof to build over the next couple of days and get it watertight. Let's see how we get on. Right, so this is what we have here now, this opening. We're going to do a nice flat warm roof. Going to have as big as I can get a lantern in the middle. I think I'm going to go for a 2 metre by 1 metre lantern. I think we'll squeeze that in. It's going for a flat roof lantern, so we have to keep it under 3 square metres, so you don't have to put a mullion in. It's going to have OSB board on top, 150mm Kingsband with a vapour barrier, and then another OSB board on top of that. Lantern's going to have 150mm upright, which keeps us too close below that window. And we've gone for an 8x2 timber, just so we can get, because the block weight looks a little bit high, and if we go for an 8x2 instead of a 6x2, which I respect, I'd get past the block weight with my lead apron. So what we're doing now, Chris is around the front, cutting everything up. And basically now, I'm just going to start marking, setting everything out. We're going to get our double trimmer in, and then we're going to work everything out off the double trimmers. So let's see how we get on. Right, so Chris has now cut everything. He's got all the notches out at the ends of the joist to get around the steel, which I've had to scribe in. Each one of these joists are going to all be a different cut. So I'm going to cut them all up now, but like I say, I'm going to get my doubles all set out and cut in now. And then we are going to... Bloody hell, turn that music down. But then we're going to start setting all the spars around the lantern. So I'm going to get all these fitted now and installed. Right, so 330, yeah? Yeah. Whoops. Yeah. I've got mine here, mate. Oh, that is mine, isn't it?
No, that's one. Give it back. Can I have a lead later?
You can buy one.
Oh, mate, I'm down. I've fucking got, that's all I've got left in my...
You can buy one, can't you, Cal? Yeah, how much are we charging him?
20 nickel.
20 quid. 20 quid, you can just use a screw butter. Well, that again. And then Chris, I want two at I want to mark this one out, just template this. Yeah. So we need 2 of this one for a double, and I'll mark the next one out. Yeah. Give me the circuit here, mate. Fucking a bit crammed here. I don't want to cut that, man. Struggling myself to get through, just walk around there. Walk around that way. That one. Anyway, yeah.
Send the old ranking and away.
Right. Get off the muggins, mate. Right, so as you can see now, we've got all the flat roof joists on. Just one more that Chris is now literally just cutting at the front just to put on. And what we're going to do then is we're going to start putting the double hangers on all the trimmers. There's going to be a single hammer on the back of the trimmers there where the joists go into the trimmer. There's going to be single hangers here. We're also going to put truss clips on, and we're going to bolt all the doubles up Then once we've done that, then while I'm doing that, I'm going to start marking out my fairings around the front, because I'm going to cut all my own fairings up and I'm going to get them on after that. So once Chris has cut that and fixed that, and basically they're going to go around, get the PPN gun out, we're going to nail everything up with the hangers, put the truss clips on, and then basically we're going to start the fairings. Should be plain sailing by then. There's been a lot of like scrying around steels with these cuts and that, so it's got a bit longer than I thought today, to be honest. Six. Eight. Bang on. Perfect. Right, so literally now I'm setting out the frame for the flat roof lantern. So I basically squared it up by the 3-4-5 method on all the corners. And what I'm going to do now is literally, I have to dip off, so Mike's actually going to finish this for me. So he's going to build this frame on a 5-degree pitch, so a flat roof lantern and water will run basically from my left to my right, so it'll run off that way. And then the fairings will take the water off that way. So he's literally going to cut all that up now, get this in. I'm just going to nip off while I price the job up, and then we'll be back to get the fairings on it and OSB it. Right, so as you can see now here, with this roof frame is fully built. We've got all the hangers in, bolts on. We've also got all our truss clips on, wall plate straps on, and we've also built the lantern roof frame with a 5-degree pitch because it's going to have a flat roof lantern like I've explained before. We've set the front out here on the opposite side of the brickwork so it matches the fascia and soffit on the house. The side's just going to be just 2 inch. So not going to be nothing major, there's not going to be no soffit on that. And yeah, that is this frame complete, ready for us to put the OSB, king span, and get it watertight when we come back tomorrow. So that's us done now. We've had a right good tidy up of everywhere, as you can see. Insulation is there, ready for when we come back. And yeah, we are quite happy so far. It always looks dead neat when you get the frame in and you can just see the carcass in. It's my favourite part of the job. So you see there. Right, so that's us done, and I'll catch you tomorrow.
Too well.
Right, I think it's a bit of time for a bit of a project update. So as you can see now, we've got all our fairings on top of our joists. Our fairings are flowing from left to right. They've gone from 4 inches to 2 inches. Behind the lantern here, we've got the 4 split either side of the lantern, so no water holds there. And we're going for a warm deck roof, so it's going to be OSB, vapor barrier, insulation, and another layer of OSB. And then we're going to finish it with, I think it works out about a 14 inch fascia board all the way around. We're going to have the gutter on this side of the roof. That's what it shows on the plan. And yeah, we're cracking on. Right, so as you see, Cal's just climbing down there. Now I'll just show you what's been going on. Right, so it's been a bit tight up here to get quite a bit of camera work, so we'll try getting what we can. But as you can see now, we've got the viscreen on the bottom layer of OSB. We've also then put an 150mm Kingspan over, and we've lapped our viscreen over and taped all the joints up and take the viscreen to the insulation. What we're going to do then is we're going to put another layer of OSB on the top. We've got fascias and soffits to install, and then basically we're probably going to look at getting this roof rubbered. Yeah, so it's been a bit of an awkward job because it's so tight, but we're not far off from completing this now. Now, Cal. Right, go on then, Cal. Right, so that is this little flat roof complete. It's been a bit of a ball ache, to be honest with you, because it's all little tight angles, tight working area, should I say. As I said before, we split the fairings at the back of this lantern so the water runs off either side, and the fairings run over to this side, which will have a gutter put on when we come to do the rubber or the GRP on the roof. We finished the fascias as well. We just got 2 corner trims to put on when we come back to when we finish the rubber, we'll put them on. And yeah, this job's now complete, and we're just literally going to pack our tools up, sheet over the roof, and we're going to get off to our next job. And you know what they say, Mike, don't you? If
you like what you see, like, subscribe and follow.
There we go.